gums in the area were used as markers so that the pioneers could tell where there's salmon gums there was good soil, which was the red soil. They don't grow very much in sandy soils, so that's how the farmers knew where the good soil was for cropping.
Chrissy's having a rest day today. She's done a little bit of walking this morning, but she still enjoys the pram. It'd be beautiful coming here in winter, especially during springtime when there's lots of wildflowers. Okay, we're going to continue walking. This looks like it might be the start of the rock. Go a bit closer and have a look. It's quite a pleasant walk. They say it's about 30 minutes, or if you walk slowly, about an hour.
Channel water from the actual rock formation down into a dam at the bottom of the hill, and that was for the railways.
Chrissy thoroughly enjoyed that walk. And that was our walk. We're going to have a look around Wongan Hill, the town.